Hi, good afternoon. I have something to share with us today about gifting with purpose. So we are all out giving gifts, doing customer appreciation, employee appreciation, and I just want to share the absolute cutest thing. This is Fresh Jax Organic Spices. It comes in the mail in bubble wrap, and inside there is a handwritten note, and it says your logo could be there on the spices, and one box equals one meal donated to ending childhood hunger. So you are going to give gifts anyway, or you should be thinking about customer appreciation, client appreciation, corporate giving, anyway, even the holidays, even during the year, and selecting a company that is already dedicated to serving a community is a great way to do double duty. It doesn't cost you any extra, and it is something that is very thoughtful and very nice. So this is a great gift. Again, it's Fresh Jax. And let me show you what I got. This is my little box. It's absolutely adorable. It has signatures from the owner, signatures from my representative, a handwritten note from Paige. Paige, you're awesome. Such a sweetheart. And this particular thing is a 5-piece gift set. And like I said earlier, you can put your logo on it if you're making corporate gifts. So I love stuff like this. Van pepper garlic blend, I'm all about that. Smoky cherrywood sea salt, wow. Goes on fish, turkey, and edamame. So cute, oh my gosh. So, oh, very blush, unlimited magical uses. So very, very cute and creative gift, and super easy. So all you have to do is go to Fresh Jax and put it in and do your mailing list, and people get a really thoughtful gift. And again, for each box, one meal is donated. So again, I'm Day and Nave with the Success Partner, and I just wanted to give a shout out to Fresh Jax today and thank them for this lovely gift, and hope that you will check them out. So see you again soon. Have a lovely day.